next, let's look at our second example. So once again, it's going to be a blank graph. I'm going to give you the 4 points, so I would go ahead and plot them. So right away, I'm guessing that it's a rectangle just based on what it looks like. So if we go and use the same thing for slopes, I know EF, we've got 5 over 1. F to G, we've got negative 1/4. G to H is 5. And E to H is negative 1/4. So what I know is that opposite sides are parallel to each other, okay? So these are parallel. But because 5 and negative 1/4, those are not opposites and reciprocals, I know that these are not 90-degree angles, okay? So we know it's not perpendicular, okay, based on our slope. So now we need to find out, are the sides equal length? If they're equal length, it's a rhombus. If they're not equal length, it's going to be just a parallelogram, okay? So for the length, we're going to do the Pythagorean theorem. So if I find EF, I've got, that's 5 up and 1 across. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So c is equal to about 5.110. So that's right here, 5.1. Then I'm going to find the length of here, which clearly looks like it's longer than 5, but 2 squared plus 8 squared, take the square root, and we get 8.25. So what I know is that these lines are parallel, and those lines are parallel, but they're different sizes. So that makes it a parallelogram.